Hey YouTube, Valerie here from Siren Body Jewelry, Tattoo and Piercing. I'm going to show you today how to change out your belly button jewelry in your belly button piercing. Requested video from Jenny. I don't know if that's your real name, but that's your name on YouTube, so I'm going to call you Jenny. So let's get at her. The first thing I usually do is clean my belly button before I change it, so watch that video before you watch this one, and it'll just be easier for you. So I've cleaned my belly button. I have my jewelry sitting right next to me here. Let's have at it. Make it a quick video. Okay. So I've got the bronze and green opal, sorry, belly ring in today. So I'm going to switch it out for our white opal cluster navel ring that I really like. We're doing high polish in that, which means it's silver, so I'm going to leave my options open. I have some white opal jewelry in my nipples, and it's going to match if I keep it at high polish. Let's have at her. So, gloves on. Can you see the belly button? Alright, let's go. I'm going to hold the bottom of the ball here, bottom of the belly ring, firm grip. Get ready. Top ball unscrews. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. So we're going lefty. I'm looking down on it, unscrewing the top, hoping I don't drop it. Oh gosh, I didn't drop it today. Look at that. Alright. My belly button piercing is well healed, so I'm not concerned about any issues when changing it out. Make sure your belly button piercing is healed enough to change out the jewelry. Alright, now we're gonna come back up to the camera. You can see the top's unscrewed. The bottom ball on our titanium belly rings does not come off, so you're just gonna put your finger on top of your skin here, maybe hold it up, and just glide it gently out. Okay. Now you can actually see the length of my piercing channel. It's very shallow in length. We're talking vertical length here. I know this has changed over the years, so just be aware when you go through changes in your life, your piercing, especially your belly button piercing, can alter. I'll go over that in detail at a later time. I'm trying to unscrew the top ball here with my gloves on. Get that off. Okay. Top ball unscrews. I set that ball down on my paper towel on my tray. Here's the belly ring. Let me get it to focus. If I can't, well, you can see it on the website. I'll put the link in the description below. Failed at that, but at least the video is going to be up. Okay. Beautiful piece. Quality jewelry, anodized any color. You can do this laying down at home if you're nervous. I've just done it a million times, so I'm standing up. Boom. Okay. Slide it up through the bottom. Hello, Eric. Get your threaded end here in your hand. Carefully screw it in and grab that bottom. Make sure it's super tight. Pro tip, just kind of set that threaded end into the bar and then twist once you feel that it's sitting there safely. And there you are. Simple belly button piercing jewelry change. You can see it from this side. With my abs, it kind of sticks out, but when I'm rested, it goes in. Quick video tutorial for you. Eric entered the room and made me nervous, so we're gonna dip out. I will put the product link in the description below. Thanks, Jenny, for requesting the video.